Okay, so what you guys want to do, and this is only for you guys, educators, vision partners, is to create a folder for each one of the collaboration projects that you have. So to do that, what you simply need to do, this is the collaboration projects folder right here. And you're going to, right here when you log in, hopefully it looks the same. You'll see right here to the right where it says new folder. So I'm going to go ahead and what I'll do to keep track of my projects, I'm going to go to Pluto. And whenever my computer decides to act right, it's acting so slow. Okay. So I'm going to go to projects and find my projects. So what I'm going to do is, let me see something. Did you color code your thing, Dorothy? Yes, that's good. Everybody do that for me and set a color for your particular project. So okay. So what I did was I went to my project. Don't make it one that's already used. And you go here to the three dotted lines and click on share color. And so I'm going to use this color. Dorothy has already selected red. So y'all do that as well. Okay, Dorothy. Because I noticed that, and that really helps it to stand out. Thank you so much. Dorothy is on it. All right. So let me set my colors real quick while we're doing this. And so, right. Okay. Even if it's not a collaborators project, but it's one of your students or something like that, do that. Change the color. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna copy the name and you're gonna go here to this thing and you're gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna title this one Leah Lewis. Okay, so I'll make sure that that's unchecked. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go and do Martha Cooper Hudson. So I'm gonna create a new folder for her. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back and that's not an official one. Copy that. The color. Okay, so hopefully you kind of get the gist. Everybody, please create a folder for your collaboration project. In fact, let me I'm gonna rename it. Put your name in there too, so that we know it's your project. Okay. So I'm just gonna put mine in right now. So you should see, everybody should see at least all my projects. And so just put your name so that we know whose is whose. Okay. All right. So then I'm gonna create a video. So what happens is, so with Wanda, right? Since she's the collaborator, I'm going to share this folder with her as well, or I can create the link. And I'm gonna copy this link, and so I'm gonna go to Pluto. And what we want to use this for is for pictures and things like that. So I'm gonna go and find collect pictures of co-authors. And so this is where I'm going to put this link here. Okay. So that is for that specific folder only. So you see when you click on it, you can click share. Now I'm going to open this up because there's actually two different pictures that we're going to be collecting. So in her Wanda's collaboration folder, I'm going to create two folders. This one right here is called the announcement flyer. Okay, and then I'm going to create another folder and call this one final picture for book. Okay, because everybody's not going to have their pictures yet, but we're still just going to use any kind of picture they want to use for now so that they can have their flyers made. Okay, so that's what you want to do. So I'm going to go, let me go back real quick to that folder, collaboration book projects. Now you're not going to share this whole thing to them. You're only going to share that folder that goes to that particular team. So all the co-authors will have access to this folder as well. All right, so let me go on Leah's. I'm going to create a new folder, announcement flyer, and then I'm going to create another folder and call this final picture for book. Okay, so we'll go back. It keeps opening up a new thing because I don't really have to go back like that. So anyway, so I'm going to go here to Martha, new folder. Okay, and then now the announcement flyer is the pre-selling flyer. It's not the flyer that we've been creating on that you've been seeing us use, like some of us have been using Canva. It's the official flyer that will be made by one of our designers to announce the pre-selling of the book. Okay, so that's a different flyer. I'm going to have a separate video on how people need to actually upload their pictures, and that will go to all of the co-authors. All right, so guys, let me know if you have any questions. All right, awesome.